Hey everyone, Andrew here at Burnett's Custom Woodworks. I'm going to do a little update on the radial arm saw that we got a couple of weeks ago. Anyone that's ever used a radial arm saw knows that they are dusty, bad dusty. And one of the hard things is figuring out how to deal with the dust. So I built a little just cheap box last night out of scraps, literally all scraps. Hooked it up to the dust collector, and man, does it work. Used to, you cut one board and you had a pile of sawdust behind it. So we'll show you that and maybe even give you a little video on it working. So this is the box. It's literally just a piece of some plywood, whatnot. Has a piece here just big enough where the blade goes in. It's all connected back through here into this, back into here. The reason it's weird shaped is I had to get it big enough for the 4-inch dust port to go on it, but step down far enough for the blade guard to clear. It's not the best design. I wasted a lot of wood. Luckily it was all scrap, but for what it is right now, it is effective. Eventually, when I build my table and everything for it, I will do a low profile one that spans more or less the whole back fence. That way I can do angle cuts and everything. Got the, I think this is the router table attachment from Rockler. It splits 4-inch off into a 2.5, and I got it going down into here. Same one I had on my dad's Craftsman. I just reworked it and put it on this one. Does really good though. I've reduced the airflow enough on this one where it really, when you cut a piece, it'll actually pull it up, the little cutoff piece in there if you're not careful. So I'm thinking about drilling a few little holes right here to help hold use this almost like a clamp to hold the wood in. Alright, I got the Harbor Freight unit hooked up right now. Anybody not familiar with these dust rights, they're awesome. I'm not sponsored by Rockler, but I love their little innovations. That quick connect is awesome. So this is a piece of pallet or something. It's oak, or I think it's oak. Anyways, I'm gonna make a couple cuts on it and let you see how it operates. Alright, so haven't done nothing but move the wood out of the way here. I'll shut everything down. Anyone that's ever used a radial arm saw will be appreciative of this. I mean, you can't even see the dust. I mean, very little. Used to, when you'd cut a piece, this down through here was covered in dust, and if you wanted to slide your board on down, you had to clean it out of the way. But it really, the propeller must still be turning. I can still feel a breeze blowing. But let's see in there. But it is like empty. It really does good. I think I may take a caulk and seal up a few of these little cracks and wrap it up. So again, thank you for watching. Just wanted to do a little video on it because anybody that has a radial arm saw and don't have dust collection, you really need to hook one up. And I figured I'd just show you my little idea that I did. So thank you for watching. Click subscribe and like, and stay tuned for future videos. Thanks.